I think as a daughter, as a child, of elder parents, it gives really a great peace of mind that your parents are staying here at this address. You can be sure at least they'll be safe. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Rubina Kaurkir, and I've joined my parents a year back here at Falcon.
Hi, I'm Atul, and I'm a banker. So the clubhouse in Falcon is, I think, the crown in the cap.
It's my go-to place. It's the go-to place for everybody. Whether it's a birthday party, whether it's Srimad Bhagavad that happens there, whether it's the gym, now there's the supermarket. You can just go there and time passes away. Saturday, Sunday, you have to really take out time to go out and party because यहाँ पे अंदर करने को इतना सब कुछ है.
We normally come to the card room around 5:30 or so and go back to the respective places around 8, quarter to 8 or so.
We have never been worried about leaving our kids behind. Our daughters are there at home. We are because
double check security system is there.
Yeah, I'm Sarpal Singh. With my sports performance, I was awarded the Ranjani Award by Government of India. The place is Falcon View so tempting because the greenery, the sports activities, as a swimming pool, a very tempting place.
जैसे ही हम एंटर करते हैं, वो अलग ही एक एनवायरनमेंट सा होता है. As if we are living in a resort type living.
So while you are entering this place, so you feel the grandeur. Well, even if somebody who's not staying here, your guests come in, so okay, say, wow, Rubina, where are you staying?
If you have to tell somebody your address, you don't need to give them the location and the address. So you just tell somebody you stay in Falcon, they will themselves.
That's a signature.
अच्छा, ये बड़ा फैक्ट है. किसी को हम बोलते हैं ना कि we are living in Falcon, तो एक बार देखता है कि यार ये Falcon.
They say it's the new stylish
मतलब
address.
कई लोगों का सपना है कि Falcon में आऊं रहने.
So it's really competitive level infrastructure that they have, and it's second to none. मतलब whether you play squash, it's well maintained. The turf is good for the tennis.
The location is actually one of the reasons why we opted for Falcon. It gives you access to Chandigarh. It gives you a very clear access to Mohali. You're already in the center of Mohali, and airport is just 5 minutes drive from here, and even the railway station.
Even swimming is an experience. Even if you're going daily, so it does not get mundane. It's an experience, and then it's for there's another one for the kids, a little more shallower for बहुत small kids. So people can have family time just in swimming pool also, even if they don't want to go anywhere else.
Morning and evening walks are pleasantly good when you're out, and it's soothing for your eyes as well when you are enjoying such good water bodies and flowers and green areas.
And you get a feeling as if you are staying in a resort. So
Actually true.
yeah,
That's
so this living is really beautiful here. Yeah.
प्लांटेशन की मेंटेनेंस बहुत बढ़िया है. ये तो जान है, ये ब्यूटी की जान है, शान है ये चीजें.
I think when I come home in the evening after my office hours, I really feel.
before having his tea, he wants to come down for a walk. I think earlier he used to be a tea person. So we are happy that we have good basement parking, good upper parking that caters to
and
everybody.
visitors parking also.
Yeah.
Falcon View तो खैर सपनों का घर है ही है हमारा, और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि यहाँ रह के हम लोगों को बहुत सिक्योर फील करते हैं सीनियर सिटीजन.
Every evening is a wonderful evening for me. Every evening, I'm saying every evening. Life is really very, very enterprising, very, very entertaining over here. Very entertaining. Bindas, totally bindas.
And after seeing my parents staying here, because for more than 13 years I've been away, I think this place has added longevity to their life.
Falcon has everything what an ideal you look for in an ideal society.
It is a house for all age groups, all professions, for everyone.